Today, I want to show you how to make a bracelet that is very easy to make. This bracelet is good because it is unisex and is perfect for both men and women. And the most important thing is that it can be done in just 10 to 15 minutes. My wrist circumference is 15 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the base will also be 15 centimeters. I use a half-round wire, 3.1 millimeters wide. You can buy it in my store. An 8 to 10 gauge, soft dead round wire can also be used. By the way, please note, I use a regular rolling pin to form the bracelet. Mark the middle and step back from it about 2 centimeters on both sides. I use two 20-gauge twisted wires for decoration. The link to see how to twist wires you can find in the description. Well, that's it. The bracelet for everyday wear is ready. And it took us only 10 minutes to make it. See you soon.